Hi guys, today we are learning how to fix Messenger not downloading files. First, unlock your phone and swipe down to open the control center. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is working properly. A weak or unstable internet connection can prevent Messenger from downloading files. Once your connection is stable, move to the next step. Now go back to the home screen and open the App Store. Using the latest version of Messenger can fix many common bugs and download issues. We'll check if a new update is available for the app. Next, search for Messenger. Tap the Search tab at the bottom of the App Store. Type Messenger into the search bar and open the apps page. This will show whether you're using the latest version of the app. If an update is available, you'll see it here. If you see a blue update button, tap it to install the latest version of Messenger. Wait for the update to finish before opening the app again. Many download issues are resolved after updating the app. Once the update is complete, try downloading your file again. And that's how you can easily fix Messenger not downloading files step by step. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple tutorials.